I'm outside with the Yi Zhan X4 quadcopter. I have some new props I put on it. I'm trying out these new props. I got them actually off the Art Tech hexacopter, the X6. So I'll be flying it with the WL Toys v2x2 transmitter. So let's start off with 60% rates. It's a light drizzle out here, but I don't think that should bother it none. I'm really a fan of this quadcopter. This thing is awesome. It's just a bit of a battery hog though. I'm flying it on 60% rates because 100% rates are, the pitch on it is just insane. So I mean, it's great if you want to fly really fast, but I think it's a little dangerous for me. I gotta get my skill level up. Big semi sound like coming up here. This thing just flies nice and precise. It's fast, nimble. Has no problem fighting wind. I think it handles wind better than the V252 Pro I had. I've reached LVC, so that's it. The Yi Zhan X4 quadcopter. Thanks for watching.